Hi, I have to say that I'm very sorry for the people who did their work already today, that for some reason, to explain everything, the app that I was using crashed during class, and so then what was created has been lost, and I apologize profusely. So unfortunately, instead of listening to your classmates, you have to listen to me, which I'm really sorry about. I was really not wanting to have happen. But I'm going to walk through 4 examples with you, and then we'll try to fix this so maybe other people will get a chance to do this sometime soon, maybe even tomorrow. So I'm just going to walk through a couple problems. Like, so here's number 1, and I'm going to first write that the area of this triangle is base, sorry, that wasn't as nice as I wanted, base times height divided by 2. I know my base is here, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units. My height, I'm going to go from the base until I reach the highest point, and I use that right angle because I'm talking about height. So that's 4. So it's 6 times 4 divided by 2, and that would be 24 divided by 2, or 12 square units. And remember, like today we were talking about in classes that, like Will said, you could do 6 divided by 2 is 3, and 3 times 4 is 12, or 4 divided by 2 is 2, and 6 times 2 is 12. Any way you want to do it is totally great. Okay, so here's another problem that I would like to show you. This one, instead, the triangle, we're going to use this right angle here to be able to help us. So we can see that there's that right angle there, and it goes all the way up to the vertex. So my height this time is 3, and then my base is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So again, it's base times height divided by 2. So it's 6 times 3 divided by 2. So that's 18 divided by 2, or 9. And again, it's square units. Here's another one instead, without being on the grid, that you can still see this right angle right here. As soon as I see that right angle, even though this one up here may look like a right angle, I just don't know if it is. So I use this here. So this is my base of 19, my height is 12. So again, it's base times height divided by 2, or 19 times 12 divided by 2. Instead of doing 19 times 12, I'm going to first do this 12 divided by 2 part. So that's 19 times 6. So I know that would be 60 plus 54, or 104 square feet. And here's the last one I'm going to show you. Same thing again here. The base is 9. The height, because of that right angle here, is 10. I always look for, Izzy told us today, I always look for the 2 sides that make the right angle. So here's the 9 and the 10. So again, base times height divided by 2. So it's 9 times 10 divided by 2. And I'm going to do the same thing again. I'm going to take care of that because that part for me is easier. 9 times 5. So I know it's 45, and it's square inches. Again, I apologize for not having your voices in this, and I will do my best to do that with you tomorrow.